Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to secretly screenshot snap without them knowing. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So the first method is you just want to turn off your data or Wi-Fi and go into airplane mode, open the Snapchat, take your screenshot, swipe up out of the app and delete the Snapchat app. The problem is most people don't want to do the app. It takes too much time, too much effort, especially if you want to screenshot quick a lot of things at once. So I have actually found a new method that is so much easier and more convenient to do. So following the next step and you will see exactly how to do it. So you open the Snapchat and you click the three dots in the top corner and they will come up with these three options. You want to go remix snap, so then I will give you a few options what you can do here. You can remix it like that. I am feeling this on iPhone 11, so then you can just take a photo like that. So you can have a photo of the snap that you want to screenshot. You click the scissors, or let me do it again. So I guess go there, remix, take the step, click the scissors, and all you want to do is to cut out the image. You can do as accurate as you can, but as soon as you cut this out, you now own the image for yourself. So you back it up. Obviously there is going to be no screenshot notification because you don't screenshot, but if you go into your sticker and click it, you have that photo. So that is just as good as screenshot really. And of course you can click the save button here and then you own the photo. So this is how you do that. So this is the way how you can secretly screenshot snaps without them knowing. Thanks for watching this video.